a student at MSU. I've been working at the outdoor program here at MSU for over 3 years, and I've been participating as a trip leader in expeditions for the last 2 summers, and I'm really excited to be a trip leader again this summer. So today we're just going to go through the packing list for our canoe expedition to help you visualize the things that you're going to need to have fun and stay warm. First of all, we provide all technical gear, shelters, stoves and cooking equipment, water treatment, and first aid equipment, so you don't have to worry about that. For canoeing, we want things that we can be comfortable in while wet because we are on a river. We're going to want to avoid cotton because it retains water and it takes a while to dry, so that can be cold. However, athletic clothing made of synthetic material and wool are really good alternatives to cotton. Wool is warm when it's wet, though it takes a while to dry. If you're feeling overwhelmed by this, you can check your local secondhand stores and search for all of this gear, Goodwill or Play It Again Sports. You can also check sporting goods stores for sales and find most of the things that you're going to need. If you have questions or concerns on top of that, you can call us and we'll help you out. Additionally, a lot of the things that you're going to need, we have here at Outdoor Rec to rent for free for expeditions. So as we go through our packing list, we'll point out which items you can rent from us. And there are quite a few. So finally, if you just bring everything in a big duffel bag on day 1, we'll go through all of it and sort it out. Ahoy! Today we're going to talk about our top layers that we're going to need on expeditions. These are consistent across all of our expeditions trips, and they're really important to have these specific pieces so that we can protect ourselves from the environment and regulate our temperatures and just be comfortable while we're outside. So first of all, we have our top layers. I have a short sleeve, and then I also have a long sleeve. These are polypro or synthetic materials, or just basically moisture wicking active wear. Just because it's comfortable and it will keep us warm. Second, we have our mid layer or fleece, so it's a little bit thicker. This is available for rent at the outdoor program, and it's really important that this is also a synthetic material because it will keep us warm if it's wet. We have our thickest layer, which is a puffy, which is also available for rent at the outdoor program, and it's really important because Montana can be kind of cold at night. And then finally, it's absolutely necessary that you have this rain layer in Montana because the weather is unpredictable. If you have more questions about the things that I have on this table, you can see the link on our website below to our packing list. Hey again! Right now we're going to talk about our bottom layers for expeditions. So first on the packing list is underwear. You know what those are. Then we have a base layer, so this is polypro or synthetic. Leggings or long underwear are really nice. We have shorts as active pants and long pants as active pants. You notice those are both on there. Shorts are just going to be comfortable for some activities, and you'll need long pants for other activities. So in order to really enjoy the August Montana weather, you need all of them. We then have rain pants, which again are absolutely necessary in Montana. Awesome. So we're going to talk about footwear for canoe trips. The first thing is a river shoe. So at minimum, this must have a heel strap. Here I have some Chacos that have a heel strap and they can tighten down onto my foot. We also have some river-specific tennis shoes. You can also wear an old pair of lightweight running shoes, really anything you don't mind getting wet. And then we have a pair of closed-toed lightweight shoes for camp. So closed-toed is really important for cooking and lightweight is just nice. And then we have a couple pairs of wool or synthetic socks. Here's some general gear for our canoe and multi-sport expeditions trips, and we have a lot of this for rent at the outdoor program. But first on the list is a sleeping pad, either closed cell foam or inflatable. We have these for rent at the outdoor program. You're also going to need a sleeping bag with at least a 15-degree rating, and we have these for rent at the outdoor program as well. Next, you're going to need at least 2 liters of water carrying capacity. We'll give you one of these, which is 1 liter on your first day of expeditions, so just bring another one. You're also going to need a headlamp and some extra batteries. We have headlamps for rent at the outdoor program, but you are going to need to bring some extra AAA batteries. For canoe and multi-sport, we're also going to need a quick dry towel and something you can swim in, so some shorts or a swimsuit. And then finally, you're just going to need a medium-sized day pack, so at least 20 liters. And we have these for rent at the outdoor program as well. Here are some personal hygiene and sort of comfort in the field items for when we're outside and we want to stay comfortable. So here I have a bag of toiletries. These are toiletries that I typically use that I'm going to need. It includes toothbrush and toothpaste. If I were to wear glasses, it would be sort of glasses or contacts and anything else that you yourself might need. We also have some prescription medication. If you're taking that, please bring it. There's also some sunscreen here and chapstick with sun protection in it. We'll provide each participant with a bandana. If you menstruate, then please bring all the menstrual products that you'll need. And then we'll also provide each participant with a sanitary kit to sort of stay comfortable and clean in the backcountry. There's more information on our hygiene-specific items in our hygiene video, and you can also contact us if you have any questions. Finally, you may want to consider bringing along any of these optional items, including a trekking pole, a sarong or a towel that you can change under, a sun shirt that's long sleeved, a buff or bandana, a mug for coffee or tea, a watch, a pen and a notebook, a camera, a book you're reading, and a camp chair.